amazing. Remember to sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, stay up to date with what's happening, guys. In today's video, we're just going to go around the butterfly house. Hope you enjoy it. So with that said, let's show you some of the things what are in here. First, I want to show you guys are these leaf cutting ants. The leaf cutting ants don't actually eat the leaves they cut, and what they do, guys, they'll take them down to the nest and they'll put them in their fungi garden, what they've got down there, and obviously the fungi will eat them leaves and they'll eat the fungi, etc. So it's pretty extraordinary that they have that great relationship with the wild and how they survive off it. Pretty cool. Next thing I want to show you guys are these gorgeous meerkats. Meerkats are so intelligent, always up to something. And as you can see, these ones are running around. There is a keeper in this enclosure at the moment doing a keeper experience. And as you can see, these two here right now are lying on this coat and just having a bit of a play with that. But again, you wouldn't like to take a bite from them because they've got a horrible bite. Alright guys, with that said, let me show you some of the rest of the animals around here. Do it back. Don't walk away. Hey, you, Raven. Okay guys, I just wanted to take a really quick break from filming the animals to highlight these beautiful, gorgeous lemurs. These are ringtail lemurs. There is two different types of lemurs in here. Ringtail lemurs are actually endangered in the wild and they come from places like Madagascar. They're endangered from overhunting and habitat loss. Their trees are being cut down quite a lot and programs like these are going to help get the numbers up. A really interesting fact for you guys is ringtail lemurs and a lot of lemurs do actually have two tongues. The main tongue's there to eat and drink, and the second tongue underneath, which is a lot smaller, I'll put a photo up now, is for grooming each other with. It's quite fascinating because these are one of the only animals in the animal kingdom to have two tongues, and also baby lemurs are called pups, which is pretty interesting. Alright guys, with all that said, let's go and see the rest of the zoo now and I'll see you at the end. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. Okay guys, I just wanted to borrow you for 2 minutes. and show you the nocturnal house. Absolutely beautiful little tarantula here. I'm assuming this is going to be a bird-eating tarantula. Of course, again, a lot of places use the bigger species of tarantulas to show off, but they've also got some other reptiles here, like this gorgeous king snake here. Absolutely beautiful. I'm not 100% sure if it is actually a king snake, if I'm honest with you, so I'm not sure on reptiles, but let me know in the comments what snake you think this is. Absolutely beautiful. And they've got gorgeous little lizards like these big ones here. Absolutely beautiful greens and blues, and look at that pattern on his back. Let's get a close up if we can. Absolutely gorgeous little lizard these are. Again, these are the bigger species, and then we've got the gorgeous littler species, which are these ones. Again, let me know in the comments down below what you think these lizards are, because I'm not 100% sure myself. I think this is some kind of skink, or it might be a long tail. I'm not 100% sure. Let me get a close up on his face for you to show you. That's the close up of it. Got darker colours, light brown underneath and dark brown on top. Absolutely beautiful. And then you've got these gorgeous tortoises. Again, these are kept in the pet trade quite a lot as well, and they can live for hundreds of years. Some tortoises can. Absolutely beautiful and well worth getting if you want to get something different. These are beautiful, enjoying this carrot. Please let me know in the poll what's going to pop up now if you like these kind of videos, zoo tours and stuff like that. If so, vote in the poll, guys. It'd be really appreciated it if you can help us out. Also, let me know in the comments down below. Beautiful little chameleon here. I love the way that the eyes are independent and that they will look one way one eye and one way the other. Absolutely beautiful lizards, but a very angry lizard, if that makes sense. And then you've got these gorgeous caimans crocodiles. These are absolutely beautiful. Again, caimans are only a small species of crocodilian, but they are very angry most of the time. And then you've got these gorgeous, beautiful poison dart frogs. The only thing I didn't like about this enclosure, guys, is that they mix them up together. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the rest of the tour. These two gorgeous little birds are in this enclosure as well. With that said, I will see you at the end and enjoy the rest of the tour. Bye. Okay guys, that was the zoo. Hope you liked it. Please remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Also tell me downstairs in the comments what's your favourite animal, if you want me to do another video like this again, and just let me know a little bit about your pretty little faces. I love hearing from you beautiful people. Again, that place was absolutely amazing. It's not actually a zoo, if I'm honest with you. It's more of a butterfly house, last rescue centre. It was absolutely amazing there. There was a lot of cool stuff. Them caiman crocodiles was absolutely amazing. I loved the lemurs as well. A little interesting fact about them having 2 tongues, pretty interesting as well. and there's so much stuff to do there. There wasn't a lot of butterflies there, if I'm honest with you, in the butterfly house, because obviously it's the cold weather, so a lot are rehatching, if that makes sense. There's a lot of cocoons. I didn't get to see every single animal because, again, it was a bit cold. I'm rather in a cold time at the moment, so a lot of the animals are inside, like hiding and keeping nice and warm. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. If you're not subscribed, hit that notification bell. I promise you, I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.